Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a personal hotspot on iPhone. So if you want to create a personal hotspot on iPhone, then all you need to do is head over into settings over on your iPhone. What you then need to do is click on personal hotspot right here. Now let's say that this option is just not there for some reason, then there are a few ways that it can be. For example, if your carrier just doesn't allow you to use personal hotspot, or if you don't even have a data plan over on your device, what you then need to do is head over to mobile services, and you just need to make sure that you have a carrier basically. Now what you also need to do is, if it's still not there, that option, is you can just head over to the mobile services again, personal hotspot, and make sure that personal hotspots is enabled from this right here. Once you've done that, what you can simply do is head over into personal hotspots once that option basically shows up. And what you then need to do is you need to simply make sure to enable allow others to join. Once you have that enabled, it will basically automatically show up as a hotspot, basically as Wi-Fi. So for someone to join, all they need to do is head over to Wi-Fi, and then they will be able to find your phone name. And once they found your phone name and connected, they can use your personal hotspot. Now what you need to do is also basically type in the password if someone wants to use your hotspot. So it will automatically be a random password. You can set up your password by clicking right here, and you can change it to whatever you want. And basically once you've done that, you're good to go. Anyone will be able to connect to your hotspot basically once they've typed in your password, and then they can start using your hotspot. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.